Hello everybody, this is Jay from American Survival Off-Grid, and water collection systems don't have to be too awful complicated. It can be a fairly simple setup. We've got a 275 gallon tank. This is food grade, and in the top of this right here, the spout that comes down, I've got a stainless steel filter, so it filters debris and sediment that comes off the roof that might contaminate the rainwater. And basically I've just got a little short 10-foot section collecting the water coming off a part of the roof into a downspout and drains into this tank. I've had as much as, out of one rainstorm, probably around 100 gallons out of one rainstorm. This is the underneath, where I've rigged up an on-off valve. Should any of this start leaking, it's got a main cut-off valve there that was built into the tank. I just bought the fittings and plumbed this in. This is the second year in use. Last year we did have a problem. I had bought a brass shut-off valve right here, and the side of it split during the cold winter months. And I just wrapped some regular pipe insulation around it to try to help keep it from freezing. And just for a secondary filter, we just bought some of these cheap little scrub pads and put a zip tie around it. Change it about once a month. Sometimes you get just a little bit of sediment that might come in around the inlet up top. Wind gets picking up, and it blows stuff, leaves and little twigs and pine needles and stuff. So every now and again we were finding a little bit of sediment in there. So this right here, pretty much, you can see it comes out pretty clear. But like I said, don't have to be nothing too complicated. This is a fairly simple setup. And let me finish filling this. You can see it's pretty clean water. Getting a gallon of water to give to the chickens. Fairly simple setup. You can get these tanks out at the Amish for about $75, I think, new. This one had a cooking oil in it, so this is a food grade. And a little hint to try to keep the algae from forming inside the tank: take and spray paint the whole tank black, or just pretty much black it out. It can be green, brown, black, a dark color. You want to try to block the sunlight from getting into the tank. And I taped off this strip around where the level shows, and right now we're holding at maybe 160 gallons, and we've had a pretty good drought, so that's not too awful bad. Still got quite a bit in there. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this might have given you an idea for some type of alternative rain collection system. Fairly simple. Y'all take care, be safe, and God bless. Thanks for watching.